When the 1 liter of water freeze the volume of the ice, according to me the density will be changed. The ice density will be decreased. That's why the ice float on the water. So volume will be not change. So I am putting 1.1 liter only, but I can be wrong also. That's why the volume now the volume then increase, because when the volume increase density decrease. So 1.1 liter. Yes, 1.1 liter is the correct answer. So concept you understand. I am thinking 1 liter. Yeah, 1.1 liter will be the correct answer. Now washing soda is, according to me this answer will be sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate. So I'm putting as a sodium bicarbonate. So sodium bicarbonate is not correct, so sodium carbonate will be the correct answer of the sodium washing soda. Okay. Now next, the most abundant organic molecule on the earth surface, on the earth is, according to me it is a DNA, because first I'm putting DNA. No. So second will be cellulose. Yes, cellulose. DNA is in the humans and cellulose in the plants. Okay, next, a person working in textile industry such as carpet wheeler are exposed to which of the following commercial disease. So asthma or tuberculosis will be the correct answer. Now the angle between the geographical medium and magnetic meridian is known as angle of dip. No. Angle of inclination. No. It is a question on geography. So we are playing a science quiz, so about this I have no complete knowledge. So if I get the knowledge of this I will tell about this. If you know about this, please tell to me. Now the characteristics order of grizzly garlic is due to, this also I don't know. Garlic is, I think, garlic. Lasan, I think lasan is there. Garlic is lasan. Okay. So according to me, sulfur containing compound is the correct answer. Yes. In human body, cowper glands form which part of that I know. Cowper glands are in the human male's body, that is reproductive system. Next, evaporation from water surface exposed to air is not dependent on humidity, depend temperature, depend depth of sea, not depend velocity of wind, depend depth of sea, depth of water. Which of the following plant is not capable of uh, mature plant is not capable of making their own food? The pronunciation I can't. Ame men ame manucheration. First, this pronunciation I am forgetting. I will tell you. I am not pronouncing this. Manufacturing, yes, not capable of manufacturing of own food, that is algae. The brown algae and red algae are not capable of making their food. Algae are coming in the plant kingdom. Algae will be the correct answer. The green algae is not correct answer. So I think mushroom will be the correct answer now. So they are taking the green algae. Brown algae and red algae also are not capable of making their own food sometimes. Which of the following plants is used as a substance used as a lubricant? So I think silica is the correct answer, or quartz. Quartz. Graphite is used in a pencils. We are use a pencil, that is for use. Lubricant also use, I don't know. Lubricant like losing a part that a body grease like a lubricant. Now what does airbag use what what does airbag use for safety driving contain? So according to me I don't know in the airbag what is there, so I am putting a tukka means a chance. Sodium nitrate, sodium iodide, about this I don't know. Now the weight of the object will be minimum when it plays at, the minimum will be at the center of the earth, north pole. Minimum zero at north pole and south pole, at the center of the earth. Yes. The time taken by the sun to revolve around the sun in our the time taken by the sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy is revolve. Sun is also revolving. The wrong sun is on sun is do not rotate, but they are saying the time taken by the sun to revolve around the center rotate around the center in of our galaxy is 100 minimum year, 250 minimum years. Next, chemically lime water is calcium carbonate. Correct? No, calcium carbonate is the correct answer. So sodium carbonate will be the calcium carbonate is there. Calcium carbonate is the correct answer. Calcium hydroxide? No, this is wrong because CaCO3. Calcium carbonate is the correct answer. You lime water turn milky because due to carbon dioxide. Calcium hydroxide is the correct answer. Search it in the Google, and if you get the correct answer, please tell to me. Now, in this video, I have done many wrong things. Bleaching powder. In bleaching powder, chlorine is very important. So I am calcium hypochlorite sulfate. Calcium hypochlorite is a correct answer. Chlorine is very important. Now, defect of color blindness can be remedied by color blindness, cylindrical lens, convex lens, none of the above. Yes, no lens will be helpful. First I am thinking as a cylindrical lens, but no lens is helpful for color blindness. Next, deficiency of iron causes anemia. This I know. Radioactivity is measured by magnetometer or Grenner Muller counter. Now, which of the following reflect back more sunlight as compared to other three? So which will be the correct answer? I don't know about this. Reflect. Which which thing reflects sand, dust? No. The land covered with fresh ice. The land covered with fresh ice reflect more sunlight than which of the following is the largest largest terrestrial wild animal? So elephant is the correct answer. So African elephant or Indian elephant? First I am putting African elephant. It is a correct answer. Pollination by the wind is known as anophily. Now, Indian population receive the largest dose of ionization radiation from. Indian population receive the largest dose of ionization radiation from. According to me that are nuclear power plant. So fallout of nuclear. About this I don't know about nuclear medicine. Natural resources. This question I don't know. I don't have any knowledge about this science quiz. Now, next, radioactive element mostly detected in a human, which is the correct? Cobalt 60, potassium 40 is the correct answer. Cobalt 60 also is found in human body, but answer is potassium 40. Next, radioisotopes. So this will be the in this video I have done many wrong things, but some answer also given wrong according to me, like lime water. And in my previous video of this only, the science quiz, and that also of a 10 minute, like many things are wrong in, like goiter is not caused by mosquito, but they are saying the goiter is caused by mosquito. Now this radioisotope which are used in chemical diagnosis are known as tracers. This I know. The study of poison is known as. So I don't know, but I am saying toxology is the correct answer. Toxic means poison. Which range of a frequency? Which range of the frequency? 20 to 2000 hertz. 20 to 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz होता है. 20 to 20 100 20,000 hertz. So A will be the correct answer. Now, a device used to measure the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, that is the plant get their nitrogen from the soil only, the correct answer. Next, which of the following element are unknown to ancient cultivar? Sulfur will be the correct answer. No, sulfur. Mercury also there. A tin. Oh, aluminium. I don't know about this. Aluminium. Tin also is that no element, and this is a non-metal. No, metal only. Tin is a metal, but I don't know. Which is the longest? A kilometer, centimeter, terameter, light meter. Light meter is the longest. Terameter is a correct. Light year is not saying, light meter is saying. Light year is the longest, but terameter is also more longest. That also I don't know about this. Now next, when we use hygrometer, we check the condition of the electrolyte in the in your car battery. Ha 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 ha. What is actually measure? What is actually measure? What property of the density? According to me, density or a charge? Density is the correct answer. Which of the following is an important element in stainless steel? So according to me, chromium is the correct answer, but I can be wrong. Chromium, because I have read about this. Which of the following is not major pollutant from automobiles? So unburned hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide. So I am putting carbon monoxide first. Sulfur nitrogen. No, sulfur dioxide is the correct answer, not a major pollutant of automobile. Sulfur dioxide, about this I don't know. Next, and this will be the last question for today. I have done many wrong things, so but don't believe this in this app. It can show the some wrong answer also. So first, research. I am giving a curiosity that what information I am giving is wrong or correct. Openly I am saying in this app is not totally correct. Some wrong, some mistakes are there in this app. I am saying. So don't totally believe in my answers also, and the correct answer. The correct answer, that take answer also. First research and then see, and then if you have a doubt, comment me. So the last question, the most serious environment pollution from nuclear reactor is radioactivity. Radioactivity is the correct. Thermal pollution. Radioactivity, thermal pollution is the correct answer. Last, if you know this answer, please tell to me. In next video I will tell this answer. Okay, so bye bye and have a nice day.